Let me show you how I created that with my motion prompt generator. I was having trouble figuring out what my avatars could do, so I created this generator where I upload an image, and the image that I used was this one of the man looking out the window with the raindrops. I selected a story sequence with 3 clips, and I'm going to use Kling. And then I basically just hit generate story and let the system go ahead and analyze the photo and give me a storyline. This is just something for fun, and it helps me out when I want to create content that is movement. I got 3 clips, and I'm going to copy all of them, and then I'm going to go over to OpenArt, and here's the image that I had started with. This is the one that I had uploaded. I'm telling it that I'm going to create image to video, and I'm going to use the Kling 3.0 because it has the multi-mode or multi-step, and I'm going to go ahead and replace the text that I have here because I was testing out another one. And it's going to tell all 3 sequences. I am going to remove the emojis, but I've discovered that it doesn't really matter because it just doesn't read it. And then before I generate, I realized that there are seconds with these clips, so it's about 15 seconds. Took a look, and it took me a minute to figure out all the math. I went ahead and moved it up to 15 seconds finally. And then I wanted to make sure that I had the 15 seconds, and I'm going to do it in the 1080 because it's going to be it's priced higher, but that's okay. I have to use these credits anyway. I'm going to leave the audio on to see what happens. And then I just hit generate. And that is how I got the video.